Hey guys, what is that? In today's video, we are going to show you how to create Alien in Infinite Craft. So first you put water, add fire, create steam. After steam, what you want to do is add another fire to create engine. After you create an engine, what you want to do is double that to create a rocket. After you've created a rocket, go grab water, put it to the side, double that to create a lake. Put the lake to the rocket to create space. After you created space, what you want to do next is grab grab earth, put it on the side, put wind to the earth to create dust, and then add earth to the dust to create a planet, and put the planet add another earth, create a moon, and put the moon to space to create aliens. So that's pretty much it. That's the video. Hope you liked it. Like, comment, share, subscribe, ring that bell icon. We'll see you on the next one.